How to see who liked your profile on Badoo. Want to see who has been checking you out on Badoo? Let's see who liked your profile. First, open your Badoo app and make sure you are logged in. Go to the like section, tap the heart icon at the bottom menu. This will show the people who liked you and like me section. Browse your likes, scroll through the list of profile who likes you. Tap any profile to view their bios and photos. And here's a pro tip, some feature like seeing all likes might require a better premium subscription. If you like them back, you can send a message and start chatting. Mutual like increases your chance of a fun conversation. And that's it. Now you know how to check who liked your Badoo profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.